This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 68 of Building Robocop, the legendary cyborg from D'Agostini, Fanhome. MGM, I believe, are the company behind the film rights. Looking in the magazine first, as ever, a wonderful ally, Gadget. Was from the TV series. A character with whom the younger members of the household could identify. Don't remember it. I've seen the series. I've got it sitting on DVD over there, but I don't remember Gadget at all. We're obviously not allowed to show pictures of her either. I think it's a her. I don't know why I'm thinking her, but to make me think it was her. An orphan girl. Maybe I do remember. I don't know. So we're continuing the left elbow joint. We've got part 2 of that. So yeah, we've got the metal bit to put into the sleeve over the joint that we've done, and then the sleeve attaches on with a couple of screws. Nice, easy part of the build, this one. So yeah, you know where the left elbow joint is. It's on the opposite side to the right elbow joint. Right one, the one that had the data spike, or is that going to be the left one? I don't remember now. It's been ages since we did the right arm. So yeah, once we've done this arm, then we've obviously got the torso and the lower part of the head to do and put it all together. We've got the legs attached to the torso already, haven't we? So it feels like we're getting close to the end. I think there's 100 issues in this. I could be wrong. But, we'll see. Robots with haptic interfaces, being able to feel things, tactile stuff, tactile perception. The thing that's lacking from VR is textures and being able to feel things and being able to turn one page at a time. Oh, there you go. But I missed all about photonics. Light technology. Stuff. Light's impact on health. That's biometrics like Fitbit type reading, pulse ratey things. These all about light. Without it, we can't see anything. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get on with the build. So in this pack, we get our rubber sleeve type inner armor thing. We've got a metal plate for the outside and 2 or 3. Only 2 we're going to be using. 2 screws. Let me get 2 of those out now. Apparently I'll get 3 of them out and put one back. That's what normally happens. I'll add that to my stash of extra screws for now. And the only tricky thing with this is getting it the right way round. So they've got it that way round, going in that way round. So it's going to end up like that. You can sort of tell by the shape of it anyway. That slides in there like so. It doesn't actually attach firmly in there because it doesn't need to. But what we do need to do is flip it over. That is fitting onto there that way round. So we've got this covering over that. We've got the 2 screw holes there. What we're attaching there. That's got to line up with that little indentation there first. So this is the tricky bit. Get it up properly. Should line up, and that should. Yeah, I think. Right. Yeah, you can actually see through these holes. Make sure you get the posts lined up. If you get the bottom one lined up, top one will have to when you rotate it around a little bit. So that should be there like that. I think I'm going to need a different screwdriver for this because we're going through a smaller hole. So let's turn that around again. Get that way around. Aim for there. See if that is tightening up into a screw hole there or not. That's gone into a place. So let's get the other one in and then worry about tightening them both up. And we'll see how that how the elbow works again. Should be there. Yep, That feels like that's tightening. Again, maybe it doesn't. I'm not entirely certain on that one. No, I think that is. That one definitely is. It does come to a stop. So let's try this one again, make sure. Yeah, I'm not entirely convinced that that is actually going anywhere because it doesn't feel like it's tightening up. But it's not moving anywhere, so it must be. A bit more. Actually, I'm going to slip to a smaller screwdriver just to make sure I'm getting it in there properly. There we go. That's better. So that's attached in there. We've got our joint, which is still working in there. So yeah, we are good to go. That is that. Another issue done. Next time we're continuing building up with this. So I'll keep my screwdrivers to one side for that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.